So the first element we're going to really look into is how to develop your course launch strategy to be found by your people. And again, I want to draw your attention to the first module where you saw this graph about where top creators attract the students to their courses. And as you can see, top 3 are social media traffic. It is that list of leads, it's your email list. And then the third one is word of mouth. And as far as social media traffic is concerned, whatever platform you're at, I'm on LinkedIn, that's my primary, but there's also Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, wherever else you have your social media content. And the main point is that you need to just share about your course and the offer and the launch, so you get people aware that it's actually happening. And then that you can create video content, articles, blog posts, memes, and infographics that support your launch and the launch schedule that you have. And if you're looking for inspiration to write for social media, I have this mini course on how to write great copy people love to read, where I just have really short videos where I walk through the phases and the process that I use to make writing easy for myself. And I have it set at $39. And then when people sign up for my free webinar, they get access to it at $14. So again, that's an example of how you can create smaller content pieces that can be like free lead magnets or smaller price content, again, to create that funnel for different types of budgets that people may have. And this is where you can find these courses on my collections page.